Welcome to 36 Exeter Street in Ashgrove. This delightful cottage has been recreated by the brilliant architects Nielsen Jenkins. And what's really special is that the cottage has not been overwhelmed by the scale of the renovation. Come through the front door of the original cottage and you're greeted with a living room and all the traditional features. You'll find the first bedroom and family bathroom also on this level. You then lead into the extension and there you'll find the third bedroom and that amazing main bedroom. The master wing also features a modern, colourful ensuite. Descend the stairs and the mood changes dramatically. It's cool and sleek with its polished concrete floors, tiled walls, and then you've got the warmth of the beautiful cabinetry and the hammered granite benchtops in the kitchen, Bosch appliances, and this wonderful double-storey skylight, allowing all that light to flow into the kitchen area. There's also the fourth bedroom, third bathroom, and the laundry. The home entertains and amazes. Just imagine all this beautiful yard and the kids playing happily ever after. It's incredible. And this is Ashgrove with its shops and schools and great access to the city. I'm Judi and I look forward to welcoming you to all of this very soon.